Welcome to Weekly News at KRender Studio. Let's start. WAFX 2021 prize winners announced. 3D printing and robotic construction Hana Office on the experimental prototype Asian cabin. MAD Architects unveils polished cloud-line design for the Arena Center. Dropping rooftops intricate bamboo structure by IBUKU for Green School in Bali, Indonesia. World's largest Astronomy Museum designed by Hana Architects opens in Shanghai. KRender finished an interior rendering for an apartment in the T-Place building, one of the most luxurious and expensive buildings in Vietnam. 12 big-picture architectural initiatives addressing some of the world's most pressing challenges have won the first of this year's World Architecture Festival WAF Awards. This year's WAFX Award celebrates all initiatives from across the world solving today's global problems such as pandemic control, climate emergency, social equity, cultural identity, aging populations, and food supply. Now, let's have a look of 11 prizes of this year's WAFX. Number 1, Aging winner. Number 2, Climate Energy Carbon winner. Number 3, Construction Technology winner. Number 4, Cultural Identity winner. Number 5, Digital Technology winner. Number 6, Ethics and Values winner. Number 7, Food winner. Number 8, Health winner. Number 9, Reuse winner. Number 10, Smart Cities winner. Number 11, Social Equity winner. 3D printing and robotic construction Hana Office on their experimental prototype Asian cabin. Hana Office uses based architecture and research practice has been experimenting with digital design and fabrication techniques across all types of projects. Has been experimenting with digital design and fabrication techniques across future to urbanism projects. Asian cabin. Their recent work is a robotics constructed and 3D printed prototype home in upstate New York. This house is built with infested ash wood, which is abundance is an environmental issue of this area, as it has very few reusable applications at the moment. Using advanced and custom technology, these projects have allowed the reuse of this material, which combined with a 3D printed concrete layered structure, resulted in a case study on the future of sustainable construction. MAD Architects unveils polished cloud-line design for the Arena Center. MAD Architects, an architecture office firm centered around cultural architecture, reveals its smooth, rounded design for Arena Cloud Center in Qinhuangdao, China, conceived as a floating cloud by the sea. The large-scale structure will provide a new multi-purpose public space for Arena, a seaside community situated on China's scenic Beidaihe coastline. The total floor area is about 2,579 square meters and 30 meters high. It's called the White Stone Garden. Its exterior reflects the sunlight, sky, landscape, changing light and color with respect to its surrounding. Dropping rooftops intricate bamboo structure by IBUKU for Green School in Bali, Indonesia. IBUKU team of young designers, architects and engineers exploring groundbreaking ways of using bamboo to build homes, hotels, schools and event spaces in Bali, Indonesia has built the Arc, a bamboo structure emerging as the latest addition to the campus of the world-renowned Green School in Bali, Indonesia. The Arc at Green School in Bali enters a new era for organic architecture with its 19-meter span arches interconnected by anti-clastic grid shells by IBUKU. The world's largest astronomy museum, designed by Init Architects, opens in Shanghai. Init Architects, formerly known as Porsche Partnership, is a 180-person architecture studio based in New York City, has just done building the world's largest astronomy museum, set within an expansive green zone in Shanghai, China. This museum is expected to open on the 16th of July 2021. Its dynamic form creates an immersive experience that places visitors in direct engagement with real astronomical phenomena, notes Thomas J. Wong, design partner at Init Architects. The big idea of the Shanghai Astronomy Museum was to infuse a visceral experience of the subject matter into the design, and to deliver that before you even enter the building. And at the end of your visit, there is this culminating moment directly with the sky, which is framed and supported by the architecture. The total floor area is about 420,000 square feet, approximately 39,000 square meters, and includes the museum and 3 principal architecture components functioning as sun, moon, and stars. KRender Studio, the best 3D architectural rendering studio in the world, finished an interior rendering for an apartment in the T-Place building, one of the most luxurious and expensive buildings in Vietnam. So in this project, we focus on 3 elements: space, interior, and the camera angles. For the space, we pay attention to the natural light, so the viewer look at the drawing, they will focus their eyes on the places where the natural light hits. For interior, the most important point is to show the wood materials used in this house. And for the camera angles, so for each room of T-Place project, depending on the area of that room, the rendering artists have balanced the most suitable camera angles. So you can check out the video T-Place project to watch more information. This is the end of the video weekly news, so please subscribe to our channel for more videos, and see you next time.